I am Simrat Kaur, and I live in Detroit, Michigan, in the United States. I am a technical program leader with the deep passion for technology, data, and innovation. I began coding when I was in 4th grade. I have been fascinated by how technology can solve real-world problems ever since. I moved to US after high school and started working as a team lead at Technicolor. After my bachelor's in computer science, I joined General Motors, where I led large-scale AI cloud and digital transformation initiatives. So I realized to continue leading effectively, I needed more than just a strategic oversight. That's where I discovered that I need to go back and learn more. And I discovered applied generative AI specialization from University of Michigan in coordination with Simplilearn. So throughout the program, I have gained deep insights into AI knowledge, diffusion models, prompt engineering, ethical AI, not just the theory, but hands-on labs that I can directly apply to real-world work. So I met different people during the course. They were different. They were from different industry, and by talking to them, by learning with them, I understood different industries, how they are implementing this new technology in their workforce. So the coaches are awesome, and even the support team is great. You can come back anytime. You can ask the questions. They will help you out. So after doing the programs, I can apply that skill into my day-to-day life. I can ask better questions. What kind of models I am using? What could be the risk using that technology? So I understand more. So outside of work, I find balance and creativity in different ways. I love cooking, reading, and playing tennis with my daughters. And I'm passionate about archery, which helps me focus and stay grounded. I also take part in hackathons, where I get to push my creativity and teamwork to next level. That experience reminds me why I fell in love with the technology in the first place. So for me, learning should never stop. And for upskilling, it's about the transforming how you think, lead, and shape the future. Life is like agile, and it evolves every time, and you should change with it and bring new things to life.